I fucking forgot, and I passed that gas station and get gas.
Need gas?
No. That's what that store is called.
Oh, stop for gas, I think.
Stop for gas. Ooh, shnikes. Do you see those big old clouds of nothing?
Something going for, oh, like
See?
that? Yeah, okay,
Big
okay.
old clouds of nothing.
Yes, you're right. What mile marker are we at? Have you been watching?
I don't fucking have a probably a fucking 342. Or still got 7 miles to go. You're lucky.
No, because we just passed that stop for gas sign.
No, it's right here. Nope.
That's the emergency call box.
Can you tell me where I'm at? Oh. 341. Holy crap. Look at this. We need our traction control off.
Why did you do it?
I don't know if I'm on a fucking cliff right now or...
I think you should just go faster.
Holy shamoles. Somebody else want to lead the way? That didn't help. I thought it would help, but it didn't help. Yeah, somebody else wants to come around. Come on around! And I may be in the middle of the road, but you just don't worry about me.
I think you're okay because I think I can see the white line over here. Yeah, you're fine.
I'm doing 25. Ah, you fucking lying hooker.
I told you were fine on this side of the road.
Oh, the gas station. Ooh, come here. Where are you going, you little stinker? How about you slow down, I speed up, we go together, and we have 4 light bulbs instead of 2.
Stop for gas.
I'm not worried about that. I'm trying to catch him so we can use my headlights. And now we're using 5. Oh, now we're back down to 4. Holy fuck you. Wow. This is holy shithole.
I ain't even scared.
You're not.
No, Chris. Arizona was like 1,000 times worse than this. I mean, there were cars going off in the ditch all around us.
Well, that's up the road.
1 more mile.
They just drop you off here at the end.
What for?
Well, so I can go inside and you can go take the car
Oh,
around.
I get it. At the end, literally.
That's
I thought you
it.
said end, E-N-D. The lisp threw me.
And driveways. Sorry, peoples. I'm from Nebraska. Don't know how to drive in this shit. Hey, there's our place.
There's the end.
There's the
Why
end.
the hell are you going to drop me off back there?
No, it isn't the end. That's not
Oh, yeah, I don't see a big horse statue.
No. We still got a ways to go. Holy fuck my asshole. Look at that. That is fucking horrible. There's the end.
Yep. Just cut across.
Park my car over here with flashers on. I'll get it in the morning. Son of a bitch. At least we're on the right road.
Yeah, that is true. At least we've done this
At least
before.
we're on a road.
Yeah.
Geez, not foggy here. I ain't no fucking scared cat. Fuck it, I'm turning off here.
You do that.
Don't you tell me what to do. I'll make up my own mind. Don't follow the working trucks into the working zone.
That's where you're supposed to stop at.
Where?
Oh, and that little turn off, or this turn off. Tiny Town.
You're an echo. I've got the fog lights on. Where are you coming from, you crazy son of a bitch? I can follow your tracks, you crazy. You fucking alcoholic. Look at him crossing over the yellow line.
Arrest him. Citizen's arrest.
Pound 227 or 277.
Oh my god, Chris. Can you turn on the heat a little? I'm not one to say that, but it's fucking hot. Get off the shoulder.
I'm not on the shoulder. See? Vroom. It's fucking crazy. I pooped my pants twice. Once for fun and second one to see if I really did it. You crazy motherfucker. Holy shit, why didn't he park around back? Big bald bastard.
I've been video recording you this whole time.
You're such a bitch.